In this lesson, we'll discuss about foreshortening. To explain that, let's take a look at this example. This is a cylinder, and we know its length. We can see the top plane, and we can assume that this is the shape of the bottom plane, and both the top plane and bottom plane, they're ellipses. If we have this cylinder face at the camera at us, we can see that the length can't be any more determined, right? We don't know how long it is because the bottom plane is overlapping, or the top plane is overlapping the bottom plane. And the shape of the bottom plane and the top plane are now a circle. Foreshortening happens if you have an object face at the camera and we can't anymore determine the length. So this is a 3/4 view of the head structure. Let's focus our attention to the chin and jaw. We are so used to the V shape that sometimes we try and maintain that shape even though it's the wrong angle. But what we have to understand is the concept of foreshortening. Currently, it's facing straight. So we have the V shape, but as it looks up, you'll notice that at some point, it becomes a straight line. And if we continue, the shape would invert. It's not anymore a V, but an inverted V. This is because at some point, the chin is pointed at the camera and it's foreshortened. The same happens with the eye planes. Let's color code the brow line, eye line, and cheek line so it's easier to understand. As it looks up, we'll see that the cheek line overlaps the eye line, and if we go further, we'll see that the shape would be inverted. If we have it look down, we'll see at some point the brow line would overlap the eye line. And if we go on, the shape would be inverted. This is also applicable on the front view. As it looks up, the cheek line would overlap the eye line and then soon inverts. Looking down, the brow line would overlap the eye line and then soon inverts. The chin and jaw is the same. This is what happens looking up, and this is what happens looking down. And here are the things to remember when drawing the eye plane. Looking up, the upper eye plane is normal, and the lower eye plane will be foreshortened. Looking down, the upper eye plane is foreshortened, and the lower eye plane is normal. This is also the same for the front view. Looking up, the lower eye plane is foreshortened, and the upper eye plane is normal. Looking down, the lower eye plane is normal, and the upper eye plane is foreshortened. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, I teach a Skillshare class on how to draw the head in any angle. Skillshare is a platform where teachers can post their classes online. So if you sign up to Skillshare, not only you get access to my class, but also the classes taught by other amazing Skillshare teachers. And if you use our link, which is found in the descriptions below, you will get a 14-day free trial of Skillshare instead of the standard 7-day free trial found on their website. So if you want to try Skillshare out, make sure to use our link so you get a 14-day free trial instead of 7. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you on the next video.